Introduction to a universe of financial opportunities where credit troubles are nothing but a distant memory. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a financial novice, understanding the variety of investment options available can be your key to prosperity. From timeless classics to modern investments, I've got you covered. So, let's embark on this journey to economic well-being together. Digital currency. Let's start our journey with a revolutionary asset class reshaping finance. Cryptocurrencies have captured global interest. Thanks to their rapid transactions, cost efficiency, and universal accessibility via the internet. Enhanced security is a hallmark courtesy of blockchain technology. The blockchain's transparency curbs fraud risk, and adding cryptocurrencies diversifies your portfolio.
Cryptocurrencies offer a variety of user benefits. Some top crypto features may include instant global transactions, security, privacy, decentralization, meaning no third parties to trust. But probably the coolest thing of all is when strangers agree to trust in math, we create something new.
Their limited quantities safeguard against inflation, potentially fueling price spikes. Investing in bonds as an asset. Next, the potential of bonds, your financial ally. This is a stalwart asset class known for its stability and income-generating capabilities. Bonds provide predictable returns, especially appealing to retirees seeking a steady income stream. They frequently offer more attractive interest rates than traditional savings accounts, making them an appealing choice for individuals preparing for their future financial requirements. Index funds. Index funds are the unsung heroes of the investment world, providing an easy and effective way to grow wealth. Why index funds? Lower fees, no human bias, diverse exposure, tax benefits, and easy management. Ideal for stability-seeking investors and portfolio diversification. These funds mirror the performance of top-performing markets, allowing investors to ride the wave of market success without the complexities of individual stock picking. Education and skills. Education and skills. Beyond just degrees, they unlock endless opportunities. Elevate your earning potential and supercharge your networking game. Education nurtures personal growth, while skills open doors to new career heights. Investing in your education and skills development can boost your confidence, self-reliance, and overall life satisfaction.
And Granny gave you 10 grand to invest. I get asked the question all the time, where should I invest that kind of money? Bitcoin? Apple stock? Bonds? I don't know. But where I'm sure it will affect you the most is if you invest it in yourself. Put it towards sales training. Put it towards getting in great shape. Any kind of education you can get at this age is going to pay off far better than any stock. So always invest in yourself.
Unleash your creativity and watch your life soar. Real estate. Real estate investments provide a steady cash flow through rental income that strengthens over time. Investors can benefit from tax breaks and deductions while reducing their taxable income. Real estate values typically appreciate, potentially yielding profitable returns. Diversifying your portfolio with real estate can lower overall volatility, and leveraging investments can amplify returns. Stocks. Investing in stocks is another ticket to financial growth. With the potential for substantial returns and the power to own a piece of thriving companies, it offers a dynamic way to build wealth. Plus, you can start small thanks to online trading. The stock market is a safe playground for investors of all levels. So, why wait? Start your stock market journey today and watch your wealth flourish. Commodities. Gold and silver are precious metals that provide liquidity and stability, making them attractive options. Gold has delivered impressive returns over the past 50 years, competing favorably with other asset classes. Overlooked silver gains attention with limited supply and rising demand. Timing is critical when investing in commodities, but when done wisely, they can serve as valuable additions to your portfolio. Energy. Energy investments play a pivotal role in powering economies and promising long-term gains. This asset class offers inflation protection and growth potential, balanced with market fluctuations. Consider reputable energy companies like ExxonMobil for stability, EOG Resources for growth, or Schlumberger for oil field services. Master Limited Partnerships, MLPs, offer steady income through energy infrastructure, while renewable energy sources like NextEra Energy contribute to a sustainable future. Land assets. Land assets offer unique advantages that separate them from other real estate investments. Exceptional appreciation driven by limited supply and soaring demand, total flexibility to shape your investment, quality assurance with no compromises, swift returns in rapidly developing areas, low maintenance and upkeep costs, steady income potential, and an affordable entry point make land assets a lucrative opportunity for investors. Artistry and creativity assets. Art funds, where aesthetics meet financial opportunity. Invest in the world of creativity and culture with the potential for high returns. Diversify your portfolio effortlessly, owning pieces from various artists and eras. Enjoy the wow factor of owning awe-inspiring artworks that spark conversations. Your investment not only grows your wealth, but supports artists and cultural institutions.
I mean, you can say a great painting, probably will have some value 500 years from now. May not, but the odds are pretty good that if it was a big enough name, at some point, there will be a few things.
Plus, in some regions, you might benefit from tax advantages. High-yield savings accounts. Imagine earning 10 to 12 times more interest than traditional savings. These gems often hide in online banks, offering the juiciest rates. Hooked? Emergency fund, home savings, or extra cash stash? These accounts got you. Suggestion: open multiple accounts for different goals. Car fund, dream vacation, all covered. Check rates, deposits, balances, and sneaky fees. Your money deserves the royal treatment. Certificates of deposit, CDs. Unlike the unpredictable nature of the stock market, CDs offer fixed interest rates for your chosen term, ensuring your money grows steadily. Tailor your CD's maturity date to align with your financial plans, whether it's a dream wedding or a relaxing vacation. With low or no fees, your earnings remain intact, making higher CD interest rates an appealing choice for risk-averse investors. Money market funds. They work to optimize your money by investing in cash equivalents and high-quality debt instruments, providing both liquidity and security. Their goal is to outperform typical savings accounts, offering stability for prudent investors. For those seeking safe and steady growth, they are a strategic choice to enhance your investment portfolio. Mutual funds. Economies of scale bring volume discounts, slashing transaction fees. Divisibility lets you invest small sums, benefiting from dollar cost averaging. Enjoy liquidity even during emergencies. Plus, professional management takes the guesswork out of investing. Say goodbye to stock picking stress and embrace the world of mutual funds. Digital products. Digital products grant access to a vast online market, transcending geographic boundaries. Engaging directly with customers becomes seamless, enhancing relationships. Their creation aligns with personal passions and provides continuous income streams. It also minimizes work hours, offers timeless assets, leverages existing audiences, and lowers entry barriers. The ability to work from anywhere adds a dash of freedom, while streamlined management and delivery simplify the process. Fixed annuities. Fixed annuities are agreements in which a person pays a single large sum of money to an insurance company. In return, they receive steady income in the future, typically during their retirement years. They provide financial stability and tax benefits, making them an attractive option for investors. They offer guaranteed interest rates, which protect you from market ups and downs, ensuring consistent returns. Royalties. Royalties offer a unique income stream for creators and property owners. Whether it's music, patents, books, or mineral rights, royalties allow you to monetize your assets while maintaining ownership. Invest in royalties and you'll enjoy financial stability and passive income. and it's an opportunity to turn your creations into a perpetual income source.
So that's basically what a royalty is. If I come up with an invention and I patent that, anybody that use my patent, I'm going to get royalties every time they sell that product.
Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending unlocks the future of finance, offering lower fees, greater transparency, and the potential for higher returns. While it comes with risks like lower liquidity and higher risk due to the absence of a central authority, platforms like AA Finance are addressing these issues. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Are exchange-traded funds, ETFs, the missing link in your investment strategy? In India, these funds have been quietly but steadily gaining traction among investors. These funds aim to replicate market indices like Sensex and Nifty, offering consistent returns while keeping costs down. ETFs allow you to potentially earn more money while also keeping your expenses low. Foreign exchange, Forex. Forex is the world's largest financial market. Enjoy low costs, trading options galore, and the power of leverage. But be cautious of counterparty risks, leverage potential pitfalls, and market volatility. Still, for those with the desire, discipline, and dedication, Forex can be a lucrative journey to financial freedom. Collective Investment Trusts, CITs. CITs offer diversified portfolios with lower costs and tax advantages. They're potent in 401k plans where they've been gaining traction. CITs are typically only accessible through employer-sponsored retirement plans. Don't miss out on the retirement investment opportunity that's taking the financial world by storm. Hedge funds. Unlike traditional investments, hedge funds offer aggressive strategies and the potential for substantial returns. These funds have a history of innovation and have become financial powerhouses. While traditionally associated with the wealthy, hedge funds offer unique opportunities for high returns open to a broader audience.
What actually is a hedge fund? I mean, we hear the term, but what is a hedge fund versus a mutual fund? What does it make? What's special about a hedge fund?
The main things is that it's not a publicly registered vehicle, and it allows one to structure the portfolio to go long or short, it gives you a great leeway as to what you can do to also balance your risks and operate that way.
Startups. The dynamic realm of startup investments is where innovation meets opportunity. Discover the opportunity for profits, get in on cutting-edge innovations before others, and spread out your assets. Investing in startups goes beyond monetary gains. It's about being a part of a transformative journey. However, tread carefully due to the substantial risk of failure, uncertainties in market adoption, and the need for long-term commitments. Treasury inflation, TIPS. Issued by the U.S. Department of the Treasury, TIPS ensures your investments keep pace with rising prices. Thanks to their principal adjustments for inflation, semi-annual interest payments, diverse maturity periods, and tax benefits, TIPS proves to be a wise and strategic investment option. Diversify with TIPS mutual funds or ETFs while tailoring your TIPS investment to your profile to secure your financial future. Venture capital. This is not just about funding. It's about rapid growth, expert guidance, and game-changing connections. With assets to substantial capital, zero monthly payments, and no personal asset pledges, venture capital empowers startups like never before. Plus, it's your gateway to networking opportunities, top talent, and the spotlight. But remember, it's not all smooth sailing. Equity dilution, a time-consuming process, and fierce competition are challenges to conquer. Solar and wind farms. Discover the future of energy with solar and wind farms. Investing in these renewable assets is not just financially rewarding, it's a sustainable choice. With the world shifting towards green energy, your investment can provide solid returns while contributing to a cleaner planet. Diversify your portfolio, benefit from tax incentives, and support a sustainable future. Impact investing funds. Impact investing funds' distinct approach enables you to create a beneficial influence on both society and the environment while also yielding financial gains. It's more than just investing. It's about creating a better future. Whether you're passionate about clean energy, healthcare, or education, Impact Investing Funds offers a chance to align your money with your values. Microfinance institutions. These financial heroes offer loans, savings, and insurance to underserved communities, empowering entrepreneurs like Sarah to turn dreams into reality. With minimal collateral requirements and tailored services, microfinance opens doors for those with limited resources. It's not just about profits, it's about creating self-sustaining communities, supporting education, and reducing poverty. Sustainable tourism ventures. The potential of sustainable tourism ventures isn't just an investment, it's an opportunity to make a positive impact while securing returns. These endeavors provide distinct benefits by attracting environmentally conscious travelers, enhancing value through sustainability, and promoting responsible actions. From enhancing local communities to preserving cultural heritage and minimizing environmental impact, they align with the future of travel. Private equity. This is your ticket to potentially higher returns, exclusive deals, and active management. With the flexibility to diversify across industries and potential tax benefits, it's a smart move. Private equity firms are experts at reviving underperforming businesses and securing fresh acquisitions. Though it comes with challenges, the benefits include reduced pressure on companies and employees. Don't miss out on this path to financial prosperity. In the vast world of investment opportunities, we've explored a diverse array of assets that can pave the way to financial success. Whether it's cryptocurrencies, real estate, mutual funds, or sustainable tourism ventures, there's something for every investor. To continue your journey and stay informed, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Plus, don't forget to watch our next video for more valuable insights.